Market movements occur daily. The markets go up and have continued to go up for the last few years, but the markets also go down. However, there seems to be, when the markets go down, a human trait that comes out of us, and that is called fear. And fear, when you break it down, means false evidence appearing real. Now, if we take a look at market movements, we see that every time the market goes up, we are euphoric. We think, well, that's the way it's supposed to be, and there's no anxiety about it. But when the market goes down, we seem to all of a sudden start questioning. We start questioning our financial advisor. We start questioning ourselves. We start questioning that, man, there is something wrong. I definitely should be making a change to my portfolio. So what I want to do is let's take a look at the frequency of movements and go through the downturns as I have seen them from 1900 to 2013 in the Dow. And what I found that about an average of every 4 months, we see a movement of 5% or so. Okay, so that's about 3 times a year throughout history. About an average of once per year, we see a movement of 10% down. About an average of every 2 years, we see a movement of 15% down, and about an average of every 3.5 years, we see a movement of 20% down. Well, if we know this information, then it shouldn't be something that would cause us to have any anxieties or any questions. But the problem is when we don't know this information and we don't expect downturns, that's when not only you as an investor, but advisors make mistakes with people's investments. So as we move forward with these movements, we should know that they're normal and we should expect them. However, it's when the media catches your eye and has you glued to your screens when we see these movements, that's what causes you, again, to be anxious and make mistakes. So now you know better, all right? And don't forget the book, Dirty Filthy Lies My Broker Taught Me. A lot of this information is in there, plus more. And I'll see you next time on Financial QB TV.